Hi, my name is Samintoni and I'm here with my fifth program in data structures. So this is my problem statement. It's implementation of single linked list. So to implement a single linked list and do the operations as insertion at the front, at the back, and at any position. Then deletion of element from the list and search elements of the list. And also I want to display all elements in the list. So this is my program. So started with iostream, that is the header file for basic input and output operations, and using namespace series standard library function. Then I declared two integer variables n and d as global. Then I created a structure node, and inside that I given a variable or data of type integer. Then I have created a pointer variable next in type node. Then also and initialize the front queue, rear queue, temp, and t mode of that are pointer variables. And then initialize all that to null. Then for insertion, I have declared a function called insert queue and insert that ask the user to insert at the front or insert at the middle or insert at the end. So I've given three options, one, two, or three, and input is taken as n. So if n equal to 1, that is if 1 is for insert at the front. So the following will be executed. Inside this if statement I have given temp equal to new node, and the program is asking the user to enter the data, and the entered data is stored in temp arrow data, and temp arrow next equal to null. Then if front queue equal to null, front queue equal to rear queue equal to temp, and rear queue arrow next equal to null. Else temp arrow next equal to front queue equal to temp. So here I am inserting an element to the front. So for inserting at any other position that is in the middle of the queue, I given the statement like enter the data after which you want to insert, and the input is taken as D, and D equal to front queue, while T is the data not equal to D, T equal to D arrow next. So I am also searching for if the entered element is there in the list or not. So for each statement, if T equal to rear queue arrow next, then the element is not found. Else, time equal to new node, enter the data. As done earlier, I have done all this. Then the third one is insertion at the end. It's same as insertion at the middle only, but simple difference. So here the input is taken as temp arrow data, and temp arrow next equal to null. If front queue equal to null, front queue equal to rear queue equal to temp, rear queue equal to next equal to null, and else rear queue arrow next equal to temp, rear queue equal to temp, and rear queue star next equal to null. This is like swapping of this. Then if the user entered any other values other than 1, 2, 3, that is insertion at the front or insert in the middle or insert in the end, the program will return a false statement, that is wrong choice. And for delete statement, I have declared another function called the delete queue. And here also I have given three options. For one is delete from the front, for two is delete from the middle, and the three is delete from the end. So it's taking as n, the input is taken as n, and if n equal to 1, that is from delete from the front. If rear queue equal to null, that is empty queue. As you know, the rear queue equal to null means the queue will be empty and it is returned. Else, that is, if any elements are there, then temp equal to front queue and front queue equal to front queue arrow next and the element deleted is displayed here, and the element is deleted. So for deleting from the middle, I'm checking for the emptiness of the queue, and it's asking for delete the element. Which element you want to delete? And the element is taken as D, and T equal to front queue, then temp equal to T. While T arrow data not equal to D, and then T arrow next not equal to null, and the element is deleted here. If T arrow next equal to null, element not found. So, and the deleted element is displayed here. And from deleting from the rear, here also I'm checking for the emptiness of the queue, and I'm deleting the element and it is displaying. For searching, I have declared another function search. Inside that I declared an integer I and initialized it as 0. So here also I am checking for the emptiness of the queue. So else enter the data to be searched, and the data is D. Here also T equal to front queue and temp is equal to D. And as you have found earlier, the element is searched, and if T arrow next equal to null, element not found. Else the element's position is, and the position is displayed. For display, if rear queue equal to null, empty queue. Here also I'm checking for the emptiness. Else this will be executed, and the queue will be displayed in this. After that, declare the main function, which I have given a ch and char type. Then I initialize the do while loop. And then I have done a ch segment for insert, delete, search, display, and exit. So it will ask the user to enter your choice, and the input is taken as n. So if n equal to 1, the this will call the insert function. If n equal to 2, delete function. If n equal to 3, search, and n equal to 4, display. If n equal to 5, it will break and the program is terminated. So it will also ask every time for continue or not. And if we give y, it will continue or else it will terminate. Now let's check the output of the program. So it's asking 5 options, and first I will insert something inside of the front. Sorry. So, so enter the data. Then I continue. Yes. Then again insert. Now while inside the n and the data is I will display it. As you can see, 10 and 12 are inserted. I'll continue. So again I will insert. Now I will insert at the middle. Another data after which you want to insert, I will insert another data 11. Continuous. And now I will display. As you can see, 11 is inserted in between and not 12. And continuous. I will delete something. So it's first I will delete from the front. As you can see, the first element is deleted, that is 10 is deleted. I will delete it from the middle. So the next element, that is 12 is deleted here. I want to continue this. And, 11 was the only value and it is deleted. So now I am switching this. So we created which is one inside of the front on a continuous means and you choose inside of the end and the top and then inside of the middle is asking more. Yes, I will search under the data to be searched. I will search 11. The 11 is found in position 2. So let's check whether it's right or not. So, as you can see, the first is 10 and the second is 11. So it's correct. So that's on the program. Yeah.